Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful family, today I have a quick one to share with you. Wonders they normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I bring all the latest happening to you, and I touchlight the latest updates. Abba. Moreover, I am the truth teller. Yes, so here, no leave, no transfer. I said I will bring the world closer to your doorstep. Trust Progress the Analyst. I am who I says I am. Yes, sir. So, my people, today I want to bring your notice to something that is very important. There are some group of people, they called one Ada Onyoncho Ndele. You know, I have had that Ndele to her name. And the other one is so-called Van, aka Mr. Vagabond. Yes, you see these two non-entity. I said I am not leaving them any moment soon. Yes, so for those people that have been calling, those people that have been talking, listen, this thing, it gets foundation. I did not just sit down and said Vagabond and Ada Onyoncho Ndele and not leave it there soon. I did not just sit down and start doing this. No, these people, they push me. I am telling you guys the basic truth. For the past 3 to 4 years, these people has been on me. This is how these two non-entity work together. But the people that follow them or call themselves their leaders don't know that a time will come, the table will turn. Maybe they were doing it in their own favor then, but there is time for everything. I am telling you, somebody that claims they follow you cannot be constituting nuisance, saying you want to buy other people's children, leaving their own children and their own generation. Then you expect the people to keep quiet. It is impossible. It is not done. You see this new set of people that have stood up, rise up to stand against injustice, to say enough is enough. Progress the Analyst, I am one of them. Have you asked yourself a question? What is really going on? Why everybody just be like, saying now they just raise up their daybreak? I'm so surprised. A lot of people used to make this parable, but they don't really understand. And they watch them. They say Biafra is a spirit, but they don't really know when that Biafra spirit enter people. They don't know. The same Biafra where they make parable. Oh, Biafra na spirit. And when that spirit enter people, they know. That is when I said these people, they are not fighting for what they don't know. You see this set of people, Ada Onyoncho Ndele and Vagabond, they are not fighting for Biafra. If you follow them, you are on your own. These people, they are non-entity. Their own is to frustrate people. Their own is to call that they want to buy innocent people. That is why I said, when you follow them, you just know that you know they fight for Biafra. Because these people, they said, the chief of staff to their leader, Simon Ekpa, is a terrorist and also she's a criminal. And me, Progress the Analyst, I come here quoted they say, if you say Simon Ekpa, chief of staff, na terror or na criminal, then who is Simon Ekpa? Up till now, they never answered that question. Now, my people, as I was saying, these people thought 3 to 4 years ago is the same year as 2025. And they started again, they carried their ugly head. They started and they say, hey, as usual, they want to try to bully me. If you talk, people will come meet me for social media. They say they want to pursue me from social media just because I have these calm spirits. And this time around, I said, no, you people go nowhere. That was a Vagabond. Went to one tree that he want to buy and bury his generation, his children, his parents, his family members, together with the family of Ada Onyoncho Ndele. Vava said they want to bury all of them alive. My people, that was how the Spirit of God move around and God changed everything around. As I'm talking to you, the spirit of justice and truth is fighting these people back and forth. They don't even know what to do. Now me decide, say, you see these two people, I know they leave them any moment from now. I am not leaving these two people soon. If I tell you, say, people not they call me to say make I leave these people, I lie. I they tell you, as they call me, now so I they vex with them. Do you know how many people have switched off my phone against? Just because of these two vagabonds and Ada Onyoncho. You know, at first, Ada thought now she gets social media or she feels sabi bully people. But this type of saga, I dey tell you now, this type of saga, she never seen her before. I tell them, say, the way that they drink pepper, not be so that they drink water, I add that two together, of which they not go before I see vagabond just step down. Say, make Ada Onyoncho answer me. Ada Onyoncho say, hey, if vagabond answer you, she not be Onyoncho. Now, yeah, I do the video. Vagabond finally, he answer. Now, Ada Onyoncho no say, she be no entity. I am telling you, this type of saga, she never experienced her for her life. Hey, she haven't experienced this, so she thinks it's a joke. Now, not be today, Simon Ekpa himself, her boss, they carry my video, they show. If they play am and if they show, not be saying a culture. So, Dr. Ngozi shared my video and she wants to use her head to hit wall. She said, oh, Dr. Ngozi is paying these people. Dr. Ngozi have paid them. I want to let her know that this wahala, it don't pass Dr. Ngozi. Oh. You see this latest one now that is happening is beyond Dr. Ngozi. As Dr. Ngozi is, she cannot even tell me to stop. That is just the basic truth. Dr. Ngozi cannot tell me to stop and I will stop because this thing don't pass am. If you see what is happening now, is the spirit of Biafra. I don't enter people now. Start to they speak. Now, I am using the words of your Ada Odoncho, Anundele, vagabond, to fight against them. I am telling you. When you say people join Biafra, how they go to join Biafra with all this non-entity where they for social media, online people, online brigade leaders. That is the people you want to look at. That is the people you want to follow. Or somebody want to bully you to keep quiet. When they bully you for years. See my tell you now. If you not get body, not put body. Oh. You see vagabond and Ada Onyoncho. I am not leaving them anytime soon. I am telling you because they have awakened the spirit of justice and truth. That is what I want people to know. This matter is beyond Dr. Ngozi. You see the people where don't rise up this time around because they have seen the injustice. They have seen the nuisance where they constitute on social media. Now they say no. If nobody will stop them this time around, this new generation, they go put an end. Now, I said, is the words of their mouth. Now me go take they beat them. You see, say Ada Onyoncho and Ndele, vagabond, they not rich. I tell you, they do gaga for social media. When I handle them, not be person tell them before they're quiet, they quit, they salute. I told them, I say, trouble they sleep, nyaga go wake and wetin they find, not be palaver. Now they tell you, they no need to stop. Oh, they be slave. I am telling you, slave now that to be. They not rich. When they see person when he sabi, they need to salute. Now, I want to show now how Ada Onyoncho used to collect money from people to attack people. I want to let you know that Ada Onyoncho say, hey, Dr. Ngozi, they pay these people. Listen to how Ada Onyoncho collecting money on social media, collecting money to attack people. Ada, you never see anything. Your nyash is there aside, and I go open up for you. Shall you dey call Progress the analyst? I am here to answer you. This time around, we go know who go tire. Hey, you never start. I go teach you how to fight saga. They not the tell person, now person they decide. And I see say you have decided that, oh, I think say Progress the analyst and small fish. I don't know say this one. na big one. Na dey for my side. You better quit. Now she herself, she step aside. But you see me, I no go leave una two. I no go leave una two. Oh. I dey tell una. E go take the grace of God for me to leave una two. I dey tell una two. Oh. Listen to how these people collect money.
No, thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay, Chuku.
You feature my meaning.
Hey.
I don't know.
Thief. Ononto.
Yeah.
Okay, Chuku.
Okay, Chuku.
Hey.
Okay, Chi.
Oh, okay,
You
she.
feature my meaning. Okay. Okay, when you send the go. Who sent you?
Who sent you?
A big easy.
Hey.
Hey.
How do you know? Okay, Chuku.
Okay, it's God sent.
I try to cover myself.
Okay,
Cover
it's God
yourself.
I don't want to show anything.
sent.
Hey.
I'm not on kiss you, Max.
Hungry go kill you for this one.
You might jump up and downside. Okay, may God bless you.
Apwa.
Catch your cookie, cabia, magazine, and give my
Evil woman.
Okay,
Oh.
thank you. So say to my body, waggy. I'm not on kiss you, Max. You might jump up and downside. Okay, may God bless you.
Thief.
Catch your cookie, cabia, magazine, and give my
Ononto.
Okay. Thank you. So say to my body, waggy.
I see that they pay your house rent.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, man. Okay.
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 Hey.
Okay.
Hmm.
I'm on my busy. I'm on you. I'm on Kissy. And I'm not going to go. I'm okay.
Did you hear what she's saying?
Mm-hmm.
She said a lot of things. So,
Okay.
Amara may be see.
Okay.
Amara Kiseje. Amara wanna go. So she agreed.
You see your life. You see your life at that Ononto Ungele. Me and you, who is collecting money? These people, they pay their house rent, they give their commission, they give their money, they take care of them, they buy their phone, they buy their gadgets. They don't stress themselves. Everything you see them use today, they pay for it for them. Look at you. You that don't pay your house rent. You come on social media to constitute nuisance because of money that you are receiving. Look at you. The money that you are collecting on social media, it not reach for you to mouth. It not reach for you to mouth, forget your life. These are that Ononto, vagabond, all of them Ndele. Look at what they are doing on social media. These people that are collecting money. You don't know that because of the money they are collecting, they can do the undo, they can say anything they want to say. Look at them. You know why Ada Ononto Ndele fall from USB? It's because you look around, nobody they give them. I'm telling you, nobody is giving to her. Nobody will give to her. Then she decided to say, I'm not gaining anything from USB. Why can't I fall back to Briggy? If it's Briggy now, at least I will see gifts. I will see small gesture. People will give me money. That was how she fell back. And even when she fell back to Briggy, she was not receiving money. She didn't receive anything the first month, second month. And you see her. She is falling corner, left, middle, anywhere. You see her today, come today, talk good about this one, come tomorrow, change, because the money she was expecting is not forthcoming. They were not giving her the money, so she is a confused element. I am telling you, Ononto is a confused element. You see, they collect money on social media, they collect money from their team, from their media team, they collect money to do a lot of things. That is why when they see that Simon Ekpa is sharing video of anybody, They are always after the person. They want to fight the person. Now that she saw that Dr. Ngozi share people, her mind now we're thinking, oh, maybe these people, they are collecting money. Maybe these people, they are collecting money because that is what they do. You see? A clear conscience fears no accusation. You see me? I have nothing to worry because me, I'm not there on a media team. I'm not there anything. I am just a neutral person doing my things before una say na content creator and I want the attack. What were you people thinking? Omo, una go nowhere. Since you people are using me to collect money, when you drag Dr. Ngozi, you make more money. Me, I go drag una too. Like I pass my neighbor generator. Una too go regret the day when you both of you non-entity start referring to Progress the Analyst. Una too go regret because me, I will beat Onyoncho Undele with va. I will beat both of you with the words of your mouth, and that is what I'm using for you people. I know they go extra mile. If you notice that Progress the Analyst, I don't go extra mile. I use the words of your mouth to tell both of you that una too small for where Progress the Analyst for the rapport. Una too dey learn work, and I go teach una lesson where be say una no go forget. Somebody were telling me, you make sure when Simon Ekpa come, remember. I say, sure. Simon Ekpa know me not be today. Hey. Simon Ekpa know me not be today. Even for dream, call Progress the Analyst. Simon Ekpa will tell you that one, I know how. This is who she is. That is Progress the Analyst for you. If you not put body, you not get body, not put body. But when I see this one or two draw me out. At that onion chodele. And I vagabond. Una go answer the question. And this time around, una go learn lesson. Now my body, una go learn to mind una business for social media. For my body, you guys will learn to stop attacking people that did not attack you guys. Now my body una go tell and una go learn the hard way this time around. So my beautiful family, as you all know, these people, they never chin on chin. I they tell them, they never cheat on chin. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst any day, anytime. And I hear it for the happen. So this is me, and I will keep you guys updated. Thank you, and bye for now.